Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2014 Ford Focus and I will show you how to jump start the battery. This video will apply to Ford Focuses made from 2011 all the way up to 2018. Also it will apply to newer Ford Focuses, just the location of the battery will be a bit different. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now for the purpose of this video I will be using this small jump starter just because it's gonna be easier for me to record this video. If you are using like a big booster pack or if you are using booster cables, process will be completely the same. Okay, now the battery is located right here under the front hood. Now the most important part of this is to connect the red positive cable to the red positive terminal and the black cable to negative battery terminal, which is in there. Also, every battery should be marked with the plus and minus, plus being positive, so plus, so this is the red, there is one more plus here, and the inside of the battery will also be marked with the minus. Okay, and usually even the cables going towards the terminals will be marked with red like this one, or the black like this one right here. Okay, now to start you want to connect your cables. So the red cable goes to the positive battery terminal and the black cable goes to negative. Now the negative terminal is deep inside and a bit hard to access, but for that reason there is this like ground wire going all the way here, so this is actually the boosting point, so you can connect your negative cable just here. I'm trying to work with one hand here. Okay, that's it. Now on my booster, once this green light here illuminates, I can proceed inside the vehicle and start it. If you are using a booster pack, you will do exactly the same and then you will just turn on the booster pack. If you are using booster cables, you will connect one side of the cables exactly like I did here. And then the other side, the red cable on the other side, you will connect to the positive battery terminal on the other vehicle. Other side of the black cable you will connect to negative battery terminal on the other vehicle, and then you will start the other vehicle and then you will try to start this vehicle which is not running, which is not starting. And that's pretty much everything you have to do. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.